Hey guys, I just did a test fitting of the WPL winch on the C54 body shell, and it looks like there isn't much trimming needed, and also there are 2 points for you to mount the winch on. So I'm going to remove the bull bar and show you how it's installed in there, which I'm not fully secured yet, just test fitting. So that's how it was installed in just now, but not secured yet. There's 2 prongs here for you to mount these 2 holes here from the winch. And then what I did was I did a little bit trimming over here, which you may or may not need to trim, but trimming these 2 poles over here definitely make it fit better fully in. So that's how you install it in. See, this is the orientation of the winch, but you have to slot the hook over the hole first. After trimming the plastic parts over here, the lower part, it can be pushed fully in. What you need will be just a screw long enough to hold the winch on this bull bar. Some screws from the previous build here, maybe this is the one. Yeah, Okay, I think it works really well. It's really well secured in here. Yeah, as I made to live in there in this bull bar. So I think Huang has thought about it. So he told me that this C54 can actually fit a winch in there. And it fits perfectly. There is another smaller piece that you need to cut, which is this. You see an L shape here. Just cut a small piece. Don't cut the whole fang over here. There are 2 fangs here for you to slot into the slot over here and also here. So this bull bar is held onto this body shell instead of pulling this thing over here. Then also make sure that you install the screw here from the back to hold this whole bull bar on the body shell itself, so you get a maximum pull from the body and the chassis together. It's like made for it. Damn, just so perfect. Everything just lines up perfectly, just nice, just enough there. So it works! See, I have a winch on my C54 now.
Banana.
Oops.